Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix your transaction cannot be completed on Google Play Store. So let's get started the video without any delay. To complete the transaction on Google Play Store, first open the Play Store app on your Android phone. Next, you need to tap on your Google account profile picture icon in the upper right corner of the menu. Then you need to select payment and subscription on the menu. On the next menu, you need to tap on payment methods at the top of the menu. You need to scroll to the bottom and tap on more payment settings. Now a new page will appear on your screen. Here you need to wait for a few seconds. In this page you need to tap on remove at the bottom of the screen. Now again tap on remove to confirm your action. Here you need to tap on add payment method at the bottom of screen to add your payment method. Follow the on-screen instruction to add your payment method again. So in this way you can solve your problem. That's all for today. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.